In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use voice chat with Gemini Live on laptop. To get started, turn on your laptop and open Google Chrome. Before you go any further, make sure Chrome is updated to the latest version. This matters because Gemini features often depend on newer browser updates, and using the latest version can help you avoid setup problems right from the start. Next, sign into Chrome using your Google account. You can do that by clicking the profile icon in the top area of the browser. Also, make sure you are not browsing in incognito mode, since some Gemini features may not work properly there. Once you're signed in, you're ready to open Gemini in Chrome. At the top of the Chrome browser, look for the Ask Gemini option and click it. If this is your first time using it, Chrome may guide you through a quick opt-in process for Gemini. Just follow the on-screen instructions to finish setup. Once the Gemini panel opens, look for the Go Live button and click it. The first time you use Gemini Live, you may see a few setup prompts. Follow those instructions carefully. If Chrome asks for permission to use your microphone, allow it. Without microphone access, voice chat will not work. Now you can start talking. Speak naturally into your laptop's microphone and ask Gemini a question. After that, wait for the response. One useful feature here is that you can interrupt Gemini while it's speaking and continue the conversation naturally, which makes the experience feel more like a real back and forth discussion. You can also use Gemini Live with the web page you currently have open. Simply open the page you want help with, start Gemini Live, and ask questions about that page. Gemini can help explain what you're looking at or help you find specific information more quickly. In some cases, you may also be able to use voice commands for navigation. For example, you can say things like, scroll down, find the pricing section, take me to the next section, or explain what this page is about. Keep in mind that voice navigation is being gradually released, so it may not be available for every account yet. If you want to personalize the experience while Gemini Live is active, click the More Options menu, then select Voice, and choose the voice you prefer. If you'd rather read responses as they are spoken, start Gemini Live and turn on live captions. And if you ever want to stop using voice, look at the bottom of the Gemini Live panel and click Switch to text mode. You can then continue the conversation by typing instead. If Gemini Live isn't showing up, try updating Chrome, confirming that you're signed in, checking that your microphone works, allowing microphone access, making sure you're in a supported region, and restarting Chrome. Then check again for the Ask Gemini and Go Live option.